Finally, welcome back to the channel. So I am sharing a method to install a custom ROM on Realme C25s as you heard right. Without wiping the main system and no data loss, this method is like dual boot method and we call it as DSU method. We can able to install any custom GSI on the device. Here's the website that I am sharing to you guys. You have to download a custom GSI from here so you can able to install on your device. So this GSI is from Droid. They were making GSI for our device. So you can able to install by following given link in the description. So you can download GF version of it AMR64. Now you have to come into the device and have to go in the file manager and create a folder called DSU. After creating DSU folder, you have to move the downloaded file in your device and paste it on DSU folder. So I am doing in the screens. Follow the same method and place the file in DSU folder. Now you have to open an application called DSU slideloader. I will provide a APK link in the description so you can able to install on your device. In that you have to click on install and select the DSU folder, and in that you have to select that file which you have been downloaded. And you have to start the installation process in the application, so it will take several minutes or after some minutes I got completely installed the file system on my device. So I have to move on my PC and few comments I have to enter to start installation. Now you have to type ADB shell. It will connect a shell terminal on from your device. So you have to type ADB shell now. Now you have to follow my commands and you have to install a system by executing a file in the DSU folder. So please follow all the commands carefully so for the successful result. After executing the following commands, you have to verify the fingerprint or unlocking the screen lock so it will start installation of the system on your device. If the installation goes wrong or failed, you have to clear up your storage by 25 GB free space so you can start installation again. Here I am re-executing the all commands because I have less storage, so I cleared up and trying again. Now you can see my installation got started. I have to wait for a few minutes to complete this method. Finally my custom GSI got installed. You can see I got an option restart and discard. Discard helps you to remove the custom GSI which you got installed. So you have to restart and boot into the. I'm able to see I have successfully installed and showing the few demo of it, so you can able to try yourself and enjoy the experience of custom ROM. So I am going to share some experience about this ROM and more information about it. Thank you for watching. We will continue more custom ROMs upcoming videos on this device. Bye. Take care.